Hello, and welcome to the Vestatrader video tutorials. In this video, you will learn all about the Vestatrader control panel, modifying and creating a portfolio using the portfolio control function, and modifying and creating a chart using the chart control function. Starting at the main page, click on Control Panel, located just on top of the chart with a blue square. Now, let's click on Portfolio Control. Clicking on the Portfolio drop-down menu will allow you to select any of the 4 portfolios in the system. Clicking on Modify will open a new window where you can change a name of a portfolio as well as the starting balance your portfolio will contain. Change a portfolio name by entering it in the Input Name text box. And to change your balance, simply click in the Balance text box and enter it manually or use the up and down arrows to modify. To complete, click OK. As you can see, Portfolio 1 has just changed to the new name we've just set. To remove a portfolio, start by selecting the portfolio of your choice and then on the Remove button. Before removing a portfolio, please note that erasing it is irreversible and will mean all your data will be permanently erased. Vestatrader allows you to create up to 4 portfolios. To create a new one, click on Create New. Similar to changing a portfolio name, change the name and set the balance, and then click OK to complete. Enter a symbol into a portfolio by selecting it from the drop-down menu, and then entering the symbol in the Symbol text box. To complete, click Load Symbol into Portfolio. Now, let's have a look at our portfolio and see what happened. As you can see, the stock was added into the portfolio. Note that you will need to add the stock exchange suffix if the stock you're adding is not part of the American Stock Exchange. For a complete list of suffixes, click on the pink icon with a small black X. To receive a quote from any past date for a specific stock, click on Other Options, located on the top left of the workspace, and then on Instrument Search. A new window will now open. Start by clicking on the Search by Date tab. Now, enter the stock name. Next, click on the small calendar icon and select a date. If you are searching for a stock that is not part of the American Stock Exchange, tick the Exchange box and select the stock exchange from the list. If your stock is listed in the American Stock Exchange, checking the exchange option is unnecessary. To complete, click Search. The system will calculate your request and show a detailed report below. If you aren't sure what the name of a symbol and its suffix is, click on the Search tab. Enter the symbol name in the Symbol text box and click Search. You will automatically receive a detailed list of all the symbols bearing that name, including their suffixes. Symbol will show you the abbreviated name including the suffix, if it's not part of the American Stock Exchange. Find more information on a stock in a detailed graph by clicking on its name. Exchange will list the names of the stock exchange relevant to its corresponding symbol. Click on the link of your choice to open a new page with more detailed information of a stock exchange. Description will list the full name of the company which is affiliated with the stock. Now, let's click on Chart Control and explore the different functions. Create New Chart by clicking on Create New Chart. Start by entering the symbol. Next, click Periodicity to determine if the chart will cover a daily, weekly, or monthly time span. Now, select a period by clicking on the up and down arrows or by changing it manually. A period represents one day, so, for instance, choosing 10 periods will create bars that will each represent 10 days on your new chart. Max bars represent the amount of bars per chart, so setting them to 100 will mean that I have 10 times 100 bars per chart which is 1,000 days. In this example, we've chosen days, but it'll work out exactly the same for weeks and months. To complete, click OK. A new chart will now open on the main workspace with all the options you set. You can also modify an existing chart by clicking on the Chart drop-down menu and selecting the chart you want to change. Now you can manually change the symbol name, periodicity, period, and max bars. To complete, click Change. You can also load the symbol into your portfolio by clicking Load Symbol into Portfolio and selecting the portfolio of your choice. You can also change the look and feel of the positive and negative changes on a chart by clicking on the Price Type drop-down menu and selecting the representation of your choice. Change the thickness of your choice by clicking on the up and down arrows. Click Indicators to add indicators directly to a chart. Add line studies to your chart by clicking on Line Studies. Line studies are similar to the crosshair, horizontal, and vertical line options for chart analysis. Select a line study by clicking on the drop-down menu and clicking on your choice. Choose the color of your line study and then OK to complete. Click Colors to change the colors of different options in the system. To compare a stock with your main stock, enter it in the small text box just under Color. Select a representing color by clicking on the Color option and then on Compare Symbol. A new chart will open, showing the parallel progress along time. Thanks for watching.